Hello folks. So I want to show you a home that's across the street from this project that we're going to get started on. You may have noticed this in the video where we did the exterior of that home. If you look across the street, you'll see this off to the right there. So this is a home that someone bought, and I'm not sure how much they paid for it, but I'm sure they paid some pretty good money for it. And this home is a single wide. You can see there was an addition on the side of this, down that full length where you see that cream colored siding. And so they've come in here and they have taken that addition off. Just came in with a big excavator and just demolished it, loaded it into a truck, hauled it away, and they've removed all the skirting and everything, and you can see here where they've got it ready. They're going to take this one out of here. So this one was pretty rough, and this guy here decided to bring a new one in instead of try to fix this one up. And so he has a new one. It's sitting on a lot at the factory. I've seen it, and it's 868 square foot single wide that's coming in here, and it's already for sale, and asking price on it is $224,800. So yeah, just thought this might be kind of interesting. This is what's going across the street, and so obviously someone thinks that they can buy this and pay money for it to get the spot in this park. That's basically what they've done, is they bought this home to get this lot, and be interesting to see how this goes. Thanks for watching.